I show you what I'm about to show you, your mind will be blown. You're going to be blindsided. Every single Israeli prime minister has a fake name. Did you know that? I was just talking about Ben Gurion. Do you know what his original name is? It's Gruen. Gruen. He changed it to make it sound more Jewish and sound more Middle Eastern. Do you know what Netanyahu's real name is? It's not Netanyahu, it's Milkovsky. I swear to God, go and look it up. You'll find Milkovsky. That
אני יודע שאתה שלי, אם אתה שייך לסדאם חוסיין וגונדר דילה. אומר בורא עולם, ליבך תנעלי ועיניך דרכי תצאנה. לא באינטרנט, במקומות, אני לא רוצה להגיד די בהתראה די בכל אתר באתר.
That's his real name. These are, remember what Israelis are. Israelis are European Jews. They don't come from Palestine. But they want you to make you believe. They want to make believe and make you believe that they come from this area, that they are indigenous to the land, that they're so Jewish, right? Even though they have no connection. So they change their names.
איזה משימה מחכה לך עם פרדי קרוגר בגיהנום? איזה משימה? תצילו את עצמכם. אין היום רבנים שיגידו לכם את זה. אין, כולם הרבה שקרנים, רמאים, שודדים, גנבים, גונבים את הכסף. אני פה אומר לכם את כל האמת. למה תמותו בית ישראל? למה תמותו בית ישראל? פצצת האטום בדרך, רבותיי, שימו לב.
So they changed the names. Here's another one. Moshe Sharat, his name is Chertok originally. You've got Levi Eshkol. Eshkol was Shklonik. So he changed it from Shklonik to Eshkol. Then you have Yigal Alon. His original name, Peikovitz. Golda Meir, Israel's first female prime minister. Her real name is not Golda Meir. It's Mabovich. Mabovich.
Golda my ass.
More like mad bitch. We have Yitzhak Rabin. Right? His name is not Rabin, it's Rubitsov. Are you seeing the pattern? These are Eastern European names. Not Palestinian, not Jewish, not Middle Eastern. They're Eastern European. Okay? They're not Palestinian. They don't come from this region.
אתה רואה את הכף יד הזאת? אם אתה נואף איתה בשירותים, בחדר, לא תחיה. אתה יש לך עובד סגיד לבורא עולם למענך, עם כף יד כזאת? הרבנים לא יגידו לך את האמת, אבל תדאג, אני אטפל במיקסר מג'ימיק.
They're Eastern European. Okay? They're not Palestinian. They don't come from this region. Yitzhak Shamir. He's a great one. You know, Yitzhak Shamir, he's on the wanted poster because he was wanted by the British police in Palestine for terrorism. But they don't tell you that. So Yitzhak Shamir, his original name is Yezernitsky. Yezernitsky. Shimon Peres, Persky. Netanyahu, I already told you, Malikovsky. I think I said Milkovsky, excuse me, it's Malikovsky. Never, you know, it's the same point.
על אנשים שהולכות עם פאות, אני לא אמרתי את זה. העליון היה אצלי בשיעור, לקח ציצית ואשתו לקחה כיסוי ראש. לא, 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 לא למרוא כפיים! עכשיו תעשו כפיים לבורא עולם.
Ehud Barak is Brog. So B-R-O-G. Brog. He changed it to Barak. Ariel Sharon. His original name is Shinerman. Shinerman. He changed it to Sharon. And Yair Lapid, who's, you still see him changing posts, his original name is Lampel. So he changed it from Lampel to Lapid.
חווה הייתה אור גדול. והנה, מה נחשה? lonely. I'm lonely. אז היא מסתכלת איזה שער. I'm lonely. מחוץ לגדר. lonely. היא אומרת לו, נחשוני. אוי, נחשוני, אתה lonely? I'm lonely. הוא את קושקוש שלי. מה קרה? ואז פתח את הפן שלו ואמר, only you. רק אותך. הנחש הזה, רבותיי היקרים, פיתה אותה. כל כך כואב לי עליך שאתה lonely. בוא נחשוני. אוי, דלינג. כנס פנימה. קפץ עם הנעלי הבלעם שלו מהמדליות. שם רבותיי יקרים, קפיצה, קפץ לגן עדן.
The Matrix is a system, Neo.
Subscribe to my OnlyFans.
That system is full of degenerates. When you're inside, you look around, what do you see? Businessmen, teachers, lawyers, carpenters, the very minds of the people we are trying to save. But until we do, these people are still a part of the woke system, and that makes them our enemy. You have to understand, most of these people are not ready to pick up a biology textbook. And many of them are so inert, so hopelessly dependent on their pronouns that they will fight to protect it. Were you listening to me, Neo? Or were you looking at the dude in the red dress?
What are they?
Transformers. They can move in and out of any gender, regardless of their chromosomes. That means that anyone coming out of the female bathroom is potentially a ladyboy. Inside the Matrix, they can identify as anything, but in reality, it's just delusion.
We have survived by hiding from them, by running from them. But they are at the Diddy parties. They are guarding all the doors while they are touching all the kids, which means that sooner or later, someone is going to have to fight them.
Someone.
I won't lie to you, Mir. Every single man or woman who has stood their ground, everyone who has fought this agenda got canceled.